Hello guys, welcome back and thank you for watching. If you're new here, my name is Maria and in today's video I have some more winter DIYs. I will be making a tier tray as well as the decor that goes inside the tier tray. And the best thing is that the tier tray can be used all year round. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you do, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell button so you can get notified every time I upload. With that being said, now let's craft. For the tier tray, I will be using some dinner plates. I picked these up from Dollar General during summer for 25 cents. They were on clearance when I got these. Dollar Tree carries so many things you can use instead: pizza pans, cake pans, stove covers, even chargers. Now for the bottom piece, I will be using a bowl, and I got this from Walmart for 50 cents. And for the center, I will be using this recycled glass. But if you don't have one of these, of course, you can use a Dollar Tree candle holder. I'm going to start off by spray painting everything using this metallic spray paint. I got this from Walmart under $4. I let these dry for a couple of hours. The next thing I did was add some popsicle sticks in the center, because it has like this dent and I want this to hold more to the other tray. To make this sturdy, you can use E6000 or a heavier duty glue. At the moment, I don't have any, but I am going to go buy one because I do want to go back and add some to this. I love how this turned out. I'm going to repeat the same thing to the centerpiece because again, it does have a dent. And when I was adding the popsicle stick, it wasn't enough, so I decided to add some cardboard. As I was gluing this, I decided to add some nautical rope for more support because I wasn't using any 6000. I felt like it needed something else. And at the end, I actually like how this looks, so I am going to leave it. And I'm going to add to the bottom. Before I add the top tier, I added some nautical rope to the bottle, so like that it can hold more. And that is it for this tier tray. I think it turned out beautiful, and the best part is that you can use this all year round. Now I will be making some decor to go inside my tier tray. The first one I will be doing is this little house. I am using a Dollar Tree house. I'm going to start off by removing the jute string that it has and the love sign. I use a knife to remove the love sign. I didn't remove it perfectly, so I'm using my knife to just scrape the rest. After that, I use a sand sheet to make it more smoother. I'm going to paint my house using some white chalk paint. I know there is some houses that already come white. I do have one, but I'm saving that one. So I did just paint the entire house white. The next thing I will be using is some scrap paper. This is from Hobby Lobby. As you can see, I already used this. And these little DIY mittens or gloves, these come from Dollar Tree as well. I'm going to just trace them on the paper. Once I am done tracing them, I did go around them to make them smaller because I do not want to add the paper to the whole entire mitten. I only want to add it to the center. I'm showing here what I'm talking about. Now I'm going to paint the mittens black, but since I only want the border to be black, I'm not painting the whole thing, just like around it. Once they are dry, I'm going to add the paper, and I use a regular glue stick to glue this. Before I add these, I'm going to add Cozy Home. For the word cozy, I'm using these Dollar Tree small little stickers. And for the word home, I will be using some other different ones. These are from Dollar Tree as well. I just love these stickers. These are so Farmhouse. Plus, they are a different font. So I think it went perfect for this little cozy home house. I will be using some hot glue to glue the mittens. These already come with adhesive, but mine is already wore out, so that's why I'm using the hot glue. Another thing I will be adding is some juice string, and since this has a space in the back, all I'm doing is just tucking a little piece to the back. To finish this off, I will be adding the juice string back to the house. And that is it for this cozy home little house. I think it turned out beautiful and it looks so adorable in the tier tray. For my next DIY, I will be using one of these wood planks that I got from Dollar Tree. I'm only using one, and I'm using the same scrapbook paper from Hobby Lobby. I'm going to trace it, then cut it. The next thing I will be doing is painting around the square, just half an inch using black paint. For the stand, I will be using a piece of popsicle stick, and I'm going to paint it black as well. And because I want this to have a border, I am going to cut a little bit more off the scrap paper. Using my Elmer's glue stick, I'm going to glue the scrap paper to the wood plank. Now for the snowflake, I did use this one. This comes from a Dollar Tree pack. I paint it white and then glue it using hot glue. Now I'm going to glue it to the stand, but before that I'm going to add this little wood square just for extra support. And that is it for this little decor sign. I absolutely love how it turned out. I did add a juice string bow to finish this off. For my next DIY, I will be using some wood blocks, and I will be using these. These are from Ross. They cost $2.99. They have 5 different sizes, and 2 of them are the same size, so I am using one of them. I will be hand drying the word baby and the word outside. For it's cold, I will be using some Dollar Tree stickers. I will be going over the words using this black paint marker. I wish I used a small paintbrush and paint because this was kind of bleeding, so it made it look a little bit messy, but I ended up leaving it like that. It still came out pretty. I also drew a snowflake. The last thing I will be doing is gluing some ribbon around it. I think that this made it match the rest of my decor, and I love how this turned out. This is so cute and it looks so pretty on the tier tray. For my next DIY, I will be using this Dollar Tree dome. I am going to paint the base using the same spray paint I used in my first DIY. I drew a circle in the middle because I am going to add a tree there. But before that, I do want to add some regular glue all around the circle, then add some of the faux snow. I got this snow pack from Walmart. It was like $3 and something. Dollar Tree does carry fake snow. I'm going to add it all around the circle. Then I'm going to add the tree in the center. I'm using a small tree that I got from a Dollar Tree pack. And I wanted to add more of the snow, so I did add some hot glue. Then I sprinkled some snow on the top. The next thing I will be doing is just gluing the tree in the center. And that is it. The last thing I did was just add a bow. This was so easy and so inexpensive to make. For my next DIY, I will be using some more Dollar Tree letters and another wood block. I'm using the smallest one from the pack. I'm going to put lettuce snow. The last thing I did was draw some dots around it. And that is it for this DIY. I think this was so easy and so simple to do. And that is it, guys. Let me know which one was your favorite down in the comments. Also, let me know if you want another winter DIY video. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, happy holidays.